Peter Gabriel's In Your Eyes. Remember that the intro is just quarter notes on the bass drum and then 1 yen, 2 yen. And we're going to do that with our right hand. Take a listen. When I want to. All right, sounds really good if you open the hi-hat on the ands. 1 yen, 2 yen, 2 yen, 1 yen, 2 yen, 2 yen, 4 yen, 1 yen, 2 yen, 3, 4, right? And then it goes really hardcore into this samba-like pattern. All my instincts, they return. Snares catching on the of 1, a 4, and on a 4, and you're going to keep the 16th notes going, single strokes. Bass drum on the 1, a 3. Notice the embellishment of little 5 strokes on the hi-hat, little open hi-hats on the 4. Ooh, good detail. If you listen to then the full chorus, see the doorway, the 1,000 churches, sounds way thicker suddenly. We're going to keep quarter notes still on the bass drum like we did the intro, 1 yen, still like it. We're not going to open the hi-hat, but we're going to do kind of a soca, 1, and 3, and notice how I start to double all the uhs. Intro. Pre-chorus. Chorus. That's how I would do it In Your Eyes, considering there's a lot of overdubs happening.